If you've ever been doing the iPhone 11 back glass repair using the big hole back glass, then you might be familiar with the issue where the little ring around the camera sort of becomes loose and can cause problems. I think I might have come up with a decent solution. I would love to know what you think about it in the comments. Let's go. So this is what the problem looks like. The ring around the camera sinks into the frame and it's wobbly. And when you put the glass on, it looks absolutely terrible. The way that I think you can solve it best is by getting some of these wonky bent tweezers, get underneath the camera ring there, pry it upwards, then get another set of tweezers and pry that up as well. Once you've got it snug and tight and it's not moving around too much, then we're going to use this magic UV hard setting resin. I bought this from Amazon. It's not particularly expensive, but it's really good at setting things quickly. It's quite viscous, but you can set it very fast using the UV light. So I just get a little bit onto a post-it note, then pick it up on the tweezers, get it under the camera ring and shine the UV light on it, and just work my way around the whole camera ring like that, and that's gonna set instantly, so that you can work all the way around it without it moving too much. Once you've set the resin all the way around, we're going to need to clean it up a little bit. So I just used one of these chiseled sort of scalpel tools. I think it's a number 4 blade that I'm using here. Scrape away any excess, just chisel it away. Don't go too hard at it. It should scrape up quite nice and easy. Then once that's cleaned up, we need to check that our big hole back glass is going to fit over the camera rings. There's no obstructions from the resin, what we just put down there. We just need to test that it fits. So in this case, I'm satisfied. And now the sort of most important part now is to get some glue underneath that camera ring there. So that's the first place that I put it, because that is eventually going to set fairly hard and hold it in place permanently. The resin is not permanent, it's a temporary solution to hold it in place whilst you can fit the rest of the glass. So with glue splurged under that camera, we can apply the glue to the rest of the back cover. And now secure down our new piece of glass without worrying that that camera ring is going to sink back in and cause us the same problem, leave a rubbish job, and it's going to end up coming back to you because it's not good enough. That's not the standard that you should be setting yourself. Thanks for watching the video. If you find it useful, make sure you leave a comment. If you think it's garbage, tell me, because I want this to improve. This has been a problem. I feel like we solved it. And also make sure you subscribe. Press that subscribe button.